Namaste bachcho. As we have discussed earlier that in next class we will discuss about the application to problems based on fractions. So I am here with the word problems based on fractions, and these are the applications of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so first question is, a fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and the denominator. यानी कह रहा है कि एक फ्रैक्शन का वैल्यू 9/11 के बराबर हो जाता है यदि उसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में 2 ऐड कर दिया जाए। और दूसरा पार्ट कहता है इफ़ 3 इज एडेड टू बोथ द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, अगर दोनों में यानी न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में 3 ऐड कर दिया जाए तो उस फ्रैक्शन का वैल्यू 5/6 के बराबर हो जाता है। तो हमें फ्रैक्शन फाइंड करना है, फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन। ओके, सो इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड ए फ्रैक्शन देन लेट अस सपोज द रिक्वायर्ड फ्रैक्शन बी x अपॉन y। फ्रैक्शन जो है p/q या a/b या x/y के फॉर्म में होता है। तो फ्रैक्शन हमारा हम हमेशा मानेंगे x अपॉन y। सपोज द रिक्वायर्ड फ्रैक्शन बी x अपॉन y। x is numerator and y is denominator. Now see the first part. It is given that the fraction becomes equal to 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. So let us add 2 to numerator. We have added x plus 2. 2 is added to the numerator and 2 is also added to the denominator. Then it will be equal to 9 upon 11. Now cross multiply it. 11 will be multiplied by x plus 2 and 9 will be multiplied by y plus 2. Then 11 multiplied by x will be 11x plus 11 multiplied by 2 will be 22 and 9 multiplied by y will be 9y and plus 9 multiplied by 2 will be 18. So transfer this 9y to LHS, it will be minus 9y, and transfer this 22 to RHS, it will be minus 22. So we have got 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22, which is equal to minus 4. This is your equation first. Now again according to question, you have, if we add 3 to both the numerator and denominator, so then it becomes equal to 5 upon 6. So we have added 3 to the numerator, that is 2x, and 3 to the denominator, that is 2y, and the fraction will be equal to 5 upon 6 as given in question. Now cross multiply it. 6 multiplied by x plus 3 and 5 multiplied by y plus 3. Now 6x and 6 multiplied by x will be 6x, 6 multiplied by 3 will be 18, and 5 multiplied by y will be 5y, 5 multiplied by 3 will be plus 15. Now transfer this 5y to LHS, it will be minus 5y, and this 18 will be transferred to RHS, it will be minus 18. Then we have got 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18 is equal to minus 3. This is your equation second. Now see, the coefficient of y in equation first is 9. So multiply equation second by 9, and coefficient of y in equation second is 5. Then multiply equation first by 5. And see the sign, both y there is minus sign, that is same sign is here, so you have to subtract it. So we have written multiplying equation first by 5 and second by 9, and hence subtracting we get, now multiply it. 5 11 ja 55x, 5 9 ja 45y, and 5 minus 40 minus plus will be minus, and 5 4 ja 20, and 9 6 ja 54x, and 9 5 ja 45y, and 9 multiplied by minus 3 will be minus 27. Now you have to subtract it, so change the sign. This plus will be changed into minus, minus will be changed into plus, minus will be changed into plus. So this minus 45 and this plus 45 will be cancelled. This minus 45 and plus 45 will be cancelled. Then what will left? 55x minus 54x will be x, and minus 20 plus 27 is here. So 27 minus 20 will be plus 7. So we have got the value of x, which is equal to 7. Now you have to put the value of x in equation, either in equation first or second. We have chosen equation second to put the value of x. So in equation second, 6x is here. So we have written 6 multiplied by 7. The value of x is 7. So at the place of x is replaced by 7. Minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now 6 multiplied by 7 will be 42. And this minus 3 when transferred to RHS, it will be plus 3. And minus 5y when transferred to RHS, it will be plus 5y. So 45 will be equal to 5y. 45 will be cancelled by 5 in 9 times. So y will be equal to 9. Hence you have to find the fraction. So put the value of x and y in the fraction you have supposed. Your fraction is x upon y. So hence the required fraction is x upon y. That is, the value of x is 7 and the value of y is 9. So at the place of y you have to write 9. So this is the required fraction. Required fraction is 7 upon 9. Now let us see next question based on fraction. If the question is, if the numerator of a fraction is multiplied by 2 and the denominator is reduced by 5, the fraction becomes 6 upon 5. And if the denominator is doubled and the numerator is increased by 8, fraction becomes 2 by 5. Find the fraction. मतलब कहता है कि अगर किसी फ्रैक्शन के न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया जाए 2 से और डेनोमिनेटर को घटा दिया जाए, रिड्यूस मतलब घटा देना, कितना 5, डेनोमिनेटर में से 5 घटा दिया जाए तो फ्रैक्शन जो है वो बराबर हो जाता है 6 अपॉन 5 के. और दूसरा पार्ट कहता है यदि डेनोमिनेटर को डबल कर दिया जाए, मतलब डेनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया जाए 2 से और न्यूमरेटर को बढ़ा दिया जाए 8, तो फ्रैक्शन जो है बराबर हो जाता है 2 अपॉन 5 के. तो यू हैव टू फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन. सो लेट अस सपोज द रिक्वायर्ड फ्रैक्शन बी x अपॉन y and then your numerator is x and denominator is y. Now in first part numerator multiplied by 2. So मैंने यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया न्यूमरेटर को 2 से एंड डिनोमिनेटर रेड्यूस्ड बाय 5. डिनोमिनेटर में से क्या करना है, 5 को घटा देना है. y में से 5 को घटा देंगे, फ्रैक्शन का वैल्यू क्या हो जाता है 6 अपॉन 5. इट विल बी इक्वल टू 6 अपॉन 5. नाउ दिस 6 कैन बी कैंसिल्ड बाय 2 in 3 times. So we have cancelled it and then we left 5. Now cross multiply it. 5 will multiplied by x and 3 will multiplied by y minus 5. Then 5x will be equal to 3 multiplied by y will be 3y and 3 multiplied by minus 5 will be minus 15. Now transfer this 3y to LHS. So 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 15. This is your equation first. And the second part of question is saying that if the denominator is doubled, so we have multiplied the denominator, that is y, by 2, which is doubled, and numerator is increased by 8. न्यूमरेटर में 8 ऐड कर दिया जाए, न्यूमरेटर में 8 ऐड कर दिया गया, फ्रैक्शन क्या हो जाता है 2 अपॉन 5. फ्रैक्शन हो गया 2 अपॉन 5 के बराबर. नाउ 5 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x प्लस 8, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इट, एंड 2 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2y. सो it will become 5 multiplied by x will be 5x, 5 multiplied by 8 will be 40, and 2 multiplied by 2y will be 4y. So this becomes 5x and 4y when transferred to LHS it will be minus 4y, and plus 40 when transferred to RHS it will be minus 40. This is your equation second. Now in equation first the coefficient of y is 3. So multiply equation second by 3, and coefficient of y in equation second is 4. So multiply equation first by 4, and same sign is here, then you have to subtract these equations. So we have written here multiplying equation first by 4 and equation second by 3, and hence subtracting we get, then multiply 4 5 ja 20x, 4 3 ja 12y, 4 15 4 ja 60, plus minus will be minus, and 3 multiplied by 5x will be 15x, 3 multiplied by minus 4y will be minus 12y, 3 multiplied by minus 40 will be minus 120. Now you have to subtract it, so change the sign. Sign will change, plus will be changed into minus, minus will change into plus, and minus will change into plus. Now minus 12y plus 12y will be cancelled, then 20x minus 15x will be equal to 5x, and minus 60 plus 120, that is 120 minus 60 will be equal to plus 60. So your x will be 60 upon 5, 60 upon 5. So this 60 will be cancelled by 5 in 12 times, then x will be equal to 12. Now put the value of x in equation first. Your equation first is 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 15. So at the place of x write 12, 5 will be multiplied by 12, minus 3y will be equal to minus 15, then 5 12 5 ja 60 plus 15, this minus 15 is transferred to LHS, and minus 3y is transferred to RHS. So sign will change, minus will 15 will be plus 15, minus 3y will become plus 3y. Now 60 plus 15 will be 75 is equal to 3y. This 75 will be cancelled by 3 in 25 times, so y will be equal to 25. Hence your required fraction will be equal to x by y, and now put the value of x which is equal to 12, and the value of y is 25. So your required fraction is equal to 12 upon 25. Now let us see one next question. Your next question is, the sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 3, less than twice the denominator. मतलब किसी फ्रैक्शन के न्यूमरेटर और डेनोमिनेटर का सम उस फ्रैक्शन के डेनोमिनेटर के दुगुने से कितना कम है, 3 कम है. ठीक है, ये पहला पार्ट हो गया. दूसरा पार्ट क्वेश्चन का है, इफ द न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर आर डिक्रीज्ड बाय 1. अगर न्यूमरेटर में भी 1 घटा दिया जाए, डेनोमिनेटर में भी 1 घटा दिया जाए, देन द न्यूमरेटर बिकम्स, न्यूमरेटर जो है बराबर हो जाता है किसके, हाफ द डेनोमिनेटर. न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डेनोमिनेटर के हाफ हो जाता है. तो डिटरमाइन द फ्रैक्शन, यू हैव टू फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन. So let us suppose the required fraction be x upon y. Your numerator is x and denominator is y. Now sum of this numerator and denominator. In first part it is given that sum of numerator and denominator, that is sum of x and y, is equal to 3 less than twice the denominator. Twice the denominator will be 2y, and 3 less, that means you have to subtract 3. So x plus y is equal to 2y minus 3. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का सम जो है वो डेनोमिनेटर के दुगुने से यानी y के दुगुने से कितना कम है, 3 कम है. तो 3 माइनस कर देंगे, तो x प्लस वाई और ये 2y जो RHS में है LHS में ले आएंगे तो ये माइनस 2y हो जाएगा, यहाँ बच गया माइनस 3. सो x and y minus 2y will be minus y is equal to minus 3. This is your equation first. Now come to the second part of the question. सेकेंड पार्ट कह रहा है, अगर न्यूमरेटर और डेनोमिनेटर दोनों में से 1 घटा दिया जाए, तो न्यूमरेटर में से भी 1 घटा दो. न्यूमरेटर क्या है, x, x में से 1 घटा दिया गया, डेनोमिनेटर में से भी 1 घटा दिया गया. तो न्यूमरेटर कहता है कि न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डेनोमिनेटर का हाफ हो जाता है. तो न्यूमरेटर ये है, ये हाफ हो गया किसका, डेनोमिनेटर, हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे डेनोमिनेटर को। डेनोमिनेटर ये है y, तो y में से 1 घटा दिया गया, x में से भी 1 घटा दिया गया, तो ये जो न्यूमरेटर आया, नया न्यूमरेटर 1 घटाने के बाद, वो नए डेनोमिनेटर का क्या है, हाफ है। तो हाफ will be multiplied 1 upon the denominator will be multiplied by 1 upon 2. Now cross multiply it, 2 multiplied by x minus 1 and 1 multiplied by y minus 1. So 2x minus 2 1 ja 2 will be equal to y minus 1. Now transfer this y to LHS, this will be 2x minus y and minus 1 is here, so minus 1 and minus 2, when transfer to RHS it will be plus 2. So we have got 2x minus y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 will be equal to plus 1. This is your equation second. Now you can see y is here and y is also here. So the coefficients are same and minus same sign is here. So you have to subtract equation first and second. So subtracting equation second from equation first, we get the first equation will be written first and second equation will be written below it. And now you have to subtract it, so change the sign. This is plus 2x, it will be changed into minus, minus y will be changed into plus, plus 1 will be changed into minus. Now this minus y plus y will be cancelled, x minus 2x will be minus x and minus 3 minus 1 will be equal to minus 4. This minus sign will be cancelled with this minus, so x will be equal to 4. Now putting the value of x is equal to 4 in equation first, your equation first is x minus y is equal to minus 3. So 4 minus y will be equal to minus 3. Now this minus 3 is transferred to LHS, which will become plus 3, and minus y when transferred to RHS it will become plus y. So 4 plus 3 will be equal to 7 is equal to y, that is y is equal to 7. So the required fraction will be x upon y. Now put the value of x, which is equal to 4, and the value of y is equal to 7. So required fraction is equal to 4 upon 7. Now let us see one more question based on fractions. Question number 4 for today. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Denominator एक फ्रैक्शन का जो है वो उसके न्यूमरेटर के दुगुने से 4 ज़्यादा है, ठीक है. When both the numerator and denominator are decreased by 6, अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में से 6 घटा दिया जाता है, then the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. तो डिनोमिनेटर जो है न्यूमरेटर का 12 गुना हो जाता है. तो फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन, तो हमें फ्रैक्शन को फाइंड करना है, ठीक है. तो फ्रैक्शन को फाइंड करेंगे हम लोग, फिर से वही मानेंगे. सपोज द रिक्वायर्ड फ्रैक्शन बी एक्स अपॉन वाई. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज सेइंग दैट your denominator of a fraction, denominator that is y, is equal to 4 more than twice the numerator. तो न्यूमरेटर क्या है x, उसका दुगुना हो गया 2x और उससे 4 ज़्यादा तो प्लस 4. ओके, तो y इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 4 हो गया. यहाँ लिख भी दिए हैं. We have also written here denominator is equal to twice of numerator plus 4. Okay, 4 more than twice of numerator. So y is equal to 2x plus 4. Now transfer this 2x to LHS, it will be minus 2x and plus y is here is equal to plus 4. This is your equation first. Again according to question, now you have to subtract 6 from both numerator and denominator. So let us first subtract 6 from numerator. X is decreased by 6 and y is also decreased by 6. Now it is given that the denominator, that is y minus 6, this y minus 6 becomes 12 times the numerator. You have to multiply LHS by 12. Numerator will be multiplied by 12 and then it will be equal to y minus 6. जब इसके डिनोमिनेटर में से 6 घटाया गया, न्यूमरेटर में से भी 6 घटाया गया, तो जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो बराबर है किसके, इसके 12 गुने से, तो इसको 12 से गुणा कर देंगे. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट. 12 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x विल बी 12x and plus minus and 12 6 ja 72 will be equal to y minus 6. Transfer this y to LHS, it will become minus, and minus 72 transfer to RHS, it will become plus. So 12x minus y will be equal to 72 minus 6, that is 66. This is your equation second. Now see, in equation first plus y is here, and in equation second minus y is here. So simply add the equation first and second. We get minus 2x plus y is equal to 4, 12x minus y is equal to 66. We have just written the equation, and then plus y minus y will be cancelled, and 12x minus 2x will be plus 10x, and 66 plus 4 will be 70. Now x will be equal to 70 upon 10, then x will be equal to 7, and putting the value of x in either in equation first or in equation second. So we have taken equation first, and we have now put the value of x is equal to 7 in equation first. So minus 2 multiplied by x, so minus 2 will be multiplied by the value of x, which is 7, plus y is equal to 4. Now minus 2 multiplied by 7 will be minus 14, plus y will be equal to 4. So y will be equal to 4, and this minus when transferred to RHS, it will be plus 14. So y will be equal to 18. So y, we have got the value of y, which is equal to 18. Now your required fraction will be equal to x upon y. So the value of x we have got is 7, and the value of y we have got is 18. So the required fraction is equal to 7 upon 18. This is your required fraction. We have checked it as per according to question. In last question we have verified our answer. So this is your verification of answer, verification. Okay, so how you will verify your answer? Let us see. Your denominator is 18. Okay, now it is given that the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than the twice the numerator. So twice the numerator is 7. So twice the numerator and plus 4 is equal to 18. 2 7 are 14, plus 4 will be equal to 18. So first part is satisfied. Now second part is subtract 6 from numerator and 6 from denominator. So numerator is 7, 7 minus 6 will be equal to 1, and when denominator will be decreased by 6, then it will become 12. Now this denominator 12 is equal to 12 multiplied by 1, that is denominator is 12 times of 12 multiplied by 1, that is 12 times of 1 is your numerator. Numerator is written in short like that. Okay, so the second part is also verified. You can also check your answer by in this way. Okay, in next class we will discuss some more word problems based on another topic. Okay.